Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss the next library available with Python, that is Pandas. Okay. Now what are the features of Pandas? Let me explain. Pandas is an open source library built on top of NumPy. Okay. It allows for fast analysis and data cleaning and data preparation. It excels in performance and productivity. It also has built-in visualization features, can work with data from wide variety of sources. All these are the peculiarities of Pandas library available with Python package. And what are the different types of data structures we are coming across with this Pandas are? First is of series, and then data frame, missing data, group by clause, merging, joining and concatenation. All these are the operations we can perform using this type Pandas. Okay. Now for that, today we are going to discuss about series type of data and how the series are used with this, incorporated with this Python or the Pandas. Now we would like to write some code just like how these are working with series data structures. Okay. Now we are going to write a code just like usual in NumPy. Import NumPy as NP, then import Pandas as PD. Import NumPy as NP and import Pandas as PD. Okay. Now we are going to write a label. That's the name of a variable, and we are initializing just like this. Values of labels are literals A, B, C. These three literals we are giving here just like A, B, C. Okay. Now I am going to define some other variables just like my data. That's the name of other variable code, and we are creating a list just like using some numbers, that is 10, 20, 30. So numbers we have stored here, and array equal, we are just writing just like np.array of my data. We are going to fill with the my data with this using this array variable, np array variable. What we are going to do, it is working properly, and we are going to print what are the values are stored in that what is sending to this array. Then check what value is displayed here. Array contains three values, that is my data. We have assigned here np.array of my data because array is assigned with the values from this my data. My data contains three numerical values like 10, 20 and 30, so that when we try to print out the value of array, it will display these three values 10, 20 and 30 to sure. Nothing else is happens here, and we just writing here, we are creating a dictionary. You know how to create a dictionary. The variable equals, then this braces, within braces I have to give a name of the key. Okay. And then after the colon I have to give the value of the key, and again I should put a comma because one item is completed, and next item I have to give within quotes, that is the next key value is B, then the value of the B is given as 20, then again I have to put a comma, then the next key is C, and again I have to put a full column here, so that I have to give the value of that key. Okay. Now I have created a dictionary called D with three key values A, B and C, and the values stored in the keys are 10, 20 and 30 respectively. Okay. Now I would like to print what are the values of each of these items separately, that is the values of label. Labels are coming out here just like A, B and C, and if I am trying to print a value of my array, that is my array, where is the my array? My data, that is the value, my data. What it is coming out here? It is 10, 20 and 30, and if I am printing the value of D, that is our dictionary name, what is going to happen? Values of dictionary are displayed here as it is made by us. Okay. Now I'm going to write some other line of code just like PD, that is pandas variable, PD dot series of then I have to give data equals my data. Okay? My data contains three numerical values equal to 10, 20 and 30. We would check what is going to happen here. PD dot series of data equals my data. Here, but pandas have now attribute PD. Sorry, it should be capitalizing. We will check what is happening here. Yeah, it is happening properly because series have the first letter series should be capital letters. That's why it shows an error. We have created the corrected that error and now the output is satisfactory. Okay. Now figure out series of data equals my data, displays of values of my data. Then if index values are given just like as label, that are 0, 1 and 2. The values of my data are displayed just like 10, 20 and 30 along with the index values. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to write some other line of code just like PD dot series of data equals my data, then comma index equals label. Label. Now I'm going to check what is going to happen. Yeah, the same data is displayed. The only difference here is that instead of this index column, we are displaying index value as its labels. That the values of labels are A, B and C literal, and it is displayed just like A. Value C is 10, B, value B is 20 and C, value C is 30 and so on. Okay. Now we are getting this data properly. We can take this data in another way also. This is a series of, we don't want to give actually this data equals, because even though I'm not giving anything just like it would take as first argument as data and the second argument as index values. Okay. So I can give this series of my data comma label. I don't want to give anything more, and it will just display as it is exactly as that of earlier time. Okay. Now we are going to do is we are going to check while we are going to write another statement just like series of array. What is array contain? What is array contain? Array equals considered array of my data. It is written over here. Then what is going to happen? Yeah, it is contains the values of my data, that is 10, 20 and 30, and the index values are coming just like 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Now PD dot series of D. If I am giving just like PD dot series of D. D is the dictionary and three key values are stored in our dictionary A, B and C, and which stores the different key values 10, 20 and 30 respectively. Now it is displayed as the values of key values of dictionary are displayed as label, and the value for the key is displayed as its values data. Okay. Now we know that how these series are created in the case of Pandas, and if I am going to write some other line of code just like series 1 equal PD dot series of, then within square bracket I am going to give three values 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then I have to put a comma. Then I am creating another list. It means I am creating four country names along with this corresponding to these four numerical values, that is USA. Then name of another country is Germany, and the third country is USSR, and the fourth country is Japan. Okay. Series 1 equals PD dot series of 1, 2, 3, 4 plus the value of the data and the labels are given just like USA, Germany, USSR and Japan. You check what is going to happen here. Then we are going to bring series 1 because series 1 is assigned with this types of data, so that if we want to display these values, we have to give the series 1 in the print statement. Okay? Yeah. Now it is displayed as this name of countries are taking as the index position, index values here. Then the corresponding values given for each of these countries are displayed as the data values. 1, 2, 3, 4 is displayed as the data values, whereas the name of the country names are displayed as index positions. Okay. Now we would like to write some other command just like cd the series of, then 1, 2, 5, 4. We don't want to give in the values in order. In this order we are assigning the values. We to take the values as it is. That's all. We will check what is going to happen here. USA, comma, then Germany, okay. Then Italy. The continents are changed just like this, and we are creating Japan for the last one. Okay. Now we have created this series of this something just like this. You check, yeah, it is displayed just like the value names of the countries are the index values, and the values given against this index positions is displayed as it is here. It is not 1, 2, 3, 4, but it is 1, 2, 5, 4, which is given in our array. Okay, we will get the output as we given in our input. That's all. Now we are not giving any variable here, just like as in the former case. We are using a series 1 as the name of that variable. We are not using any type of variables here, so that it will display as it is here. We don't want to print the value of that variable in order to get this result. Okay. Now all these how to create this data series, and what are the operations we can use this data series, how lists are created and all. Okay. Now I think that you got a clear idea how to create this data series, and we will come with another video by telling what are other data structures available with the Pandas and how this can be used. Okay. Till then, bye.